This is like an old quiz, is what it is.
Oh, okay.
So she should, but I don't know if they're down there. Ooh.
Math stuff is all in.
So she's gonna need this one right here. Should make that one. Wait, granted, the things are not gonna be the exact same, but
But it's.
we won't be using that one. Some of these are probably, one of these I bet you is one of the ones they use, but. See if I can look and see if it matches. Yeah, so I would just use those ones and see.
Should I put away my binders?
Yeah, I got all the pictures up here. Thanks for looking though. Okay, so there are 2 lines total. Okay, in the way we name a line, how many points do I need to use to name a line?
2.
2. So one of my lines I could name AB, or I could name it
CD.
BA, okay, because you can always say AB or BA. We could say BC or
CB.
CB. Okay, so any of those work for that first line. Okay, so I'm just going to say AB. Okay, what about the other line?
DE.
Okay, there's 3 points on it, D, B, and F. So how could I name that?
BD.
D, B, and F.
So we could say DB, yeah, that's one.
Or
FB.
FD is another one. Or DF, or BF, or FB. Okay, any of those work. Okay? And then our notation for the line looks like a little bitty baby line above it. Okay, so we talked about notation. Okay, the notation is important. This is what it should look like for your answer. You with me? Your zone. Okay, how many planes are there?
1.
Yeah, there's only one plane. So the plane is this square right here. And really what a plane is, it's a piece of paper. Okay, this is the plane, and it has one line that is like on top of it, and then it has one that's like poking through the plane. It's a pencil. If I stab this pencil through, okay, there's part of it sticking out, which is this F part, and then there's part of it hanging up. Okay, so there's one plane. Is there another way to name the line BD?
DB.
DB. Okay,
Sorry.
that's not our only option though, but that's like the most feasible. Okay, so and it's really this line. Okay, so you could even take your answer from number 2 and still put it there. Okay, because it's the same line. But if you want to just flip flop the letters around, you totally can. What are the names of 3 collinear points? Okay, what's collinear mean?
Share the same line.
Yeah, so collinear, okay, means they lie on the same line, and this is where people got mixed up. So this part, collinear, means it should be 3 letters,
D.
okay? And then we need 3 3-letter things, okay? That's what that's saying. So if I name this to 2 collinear points, we would have 2 3 letters, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, okay? So make sure that you're labeling these right, because when I changed it and I said 2 collinear points, some of you guys just wrote me AB, and that's not collinear. Collinear means 3 points that are on the same line. So, okay, so make sure that you do that, and you can use these on your test. So I would probably write the note that collinear, okay, means 3 letters. Okay, so we need collinear, so we could say A, B, C is 1 collinear point. A, B, C.
What about DEF?
E is not on the line. It's just on the plane. Okay, and if we look at ABC, what's another way I can rename ABC?
CBA.
CBA.
CAD?
C. What did you say? CBA?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I said CAB.
CAB would work too. Okay? So we have 3, that's where this 3 came from, 1, 2, 3. Collinear means 3 letters for points. Okay, what are the name of 3 coplanar? So coplanar means what?
On the same plane.
On the same plane.
CFA.
Okay, and then there's a rule with coplanar. Okay, so you need to write down the rules somewhere in your thing because you can use this. They have to be 2 points on the same
And then one off.
line. Okay, and then 1 point. We could say
Let's do ABC. We'll call it that. ABC.
1 point. That is like, I don't know what you want to call it. It has to be the one on the outlier, okay, or the random point, the one that's just on the corner of the plane. Okay, so what do you guys want to call that?
E.
Well, I know it's E, but what I'm saying, how would you describe that point? Huh? The lonely boy? Okay.
The
The
dummy.
lonely weirdo.
The dummy.
Okay, I'm gonna say random lonely point. I think it's spelled lonely wrong.
No, E.
Okay, so when we say what are the names of 3 coplanar points, that means I should have 3 of them. Okay, and I take 2 points on the same line, which we could say AB. And what's our random point?
N.
No, because there's not a point right here.
F.
No, it has to be on the plane. Only point on plane.
It's E.
Yeah. Okay, so E. So how could I name it again? They need to be 2 points on the same line and the random point.
A, B, E.
You did that. What's another one? Who's that? A, B, C,
2 points on the same line.
and then
CBA.
B.
We did AB.
CBE.
CBE. What's another one? Look at this picture.
B.
BAE. Perfect. Okay.
Huh? Did you say this?
Okay, the next slide is about segments and rays.
Oh no.
Okay?